Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift each day in the lead up to Christmas from either J of J Dolls UK, Marna of Dolls Rescued, or Priestcraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their channels today too, as they'll also be opening a surprise gift, and it could be from me. Their links are in the description. Hi there. Today is the
20th
day of our Advent collaboration. So let's have a look at what surprise gift we'll be opening today. Okay, I have something from J of J Dolls UK. Let's see what it is. It's something crocheted. Oh, it's the bag. It is. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you very much, Jay. Oh, it's a lovely crocheted bag in a lovely warm sort of taupe brown colour. Oh, that's super cute. I really like that. Perfect for accessorising the Blythes with. This will definitely get used pretty much straight away. That's wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Jay, and thank you for watching. Please take care and leave a like, a comment, and let me know what you thought of today's lovely gift. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.